Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you a little bit about what I've been doing with Google Forms for my EDCI 270 class. So far I've made one poll called Chemistry Quiz. In order to make a poll, you just, you click New Form, blank. It'll allow you to create a title, a description where you can put the objective, and then you can add questions. And this really allows you to get a great idea of how well your students are absorbing the information that you're teaching for each objective. You can make a poll for each objective. You can make it anonymous, or you can make it the type of thing where you can see who's getting what answers correct and what percentage of the class is getting answers correct. For this specific one, I had the objective of given a visual representation of the anatomy of an atom, which is what I've given in the image, students will be able to label the location of electrons, protons, neutrons in the general nucleus on a paper with 100% accuracy. So what I'm going for with this poll is being able to assess what percentage of the class is able to complete the objective. And this is something that I would probably give out, this poll, at the beginning of the assessment of an objective, like before we have a test. That way I can see what types of things we need to review before the test. So as you can see, I've quizzed them on what term matches the orange particles in the nucleus, the green particles, as well as the yellow particles, and I've given them a little bit of a hint for each one. And then for my second section, it just says thank you for participating. So you can copy this link, you can send this link by emailing it to your students, or you can just copy the link and put it in your website like Blackboard and then send it out to the students so that they can participate and you'll be able to see the results. So yeah, that is basically all I have done in Google Forms. It seems so far to be a very, very helpful tool for the teacher to be able to assess how far along their students are coming with each daily or weekly objective in class. Thank you so much for listening.